guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gracefully EUT. On this very video today, I'm gonna be showing you how I made this cake right here. Yes, first time coming across my video and you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button with the red and hit the first bell. This enables you to get notification each time I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. Here I have my all-purpose flour, and this is the measurement I'm using for that. I don't know if you can see. Here it says 1 cup. Yeah, so in here I already have 3 cups, so I'll just be adding extra 1. You want to make sure your measurement is flat. Okay, I have my cinnamon. You can choose to use nutmeg or optional. You can choose not to add either, but in this recipe I'll be using cinnamon. So I already have the powder here, so just for teaspoon. I have lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Here I have my baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Here I have my salt, sugar, 1 cup of sugar. Here I have 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will be using 8 eggs for this recipe. There, I have 700 grams of butter. So I'll be separating the egg white from the egg yolk because I'm gonna be using this separately till the final mixture. Try as much as possible not to get your yolk in your egg white. I had a little drop of it. It's okay, it doesn't matter. So that is my egg yolk. I'm going to keep it separate, and I'm just going to be whisking the egg white until it's really fluffy. When mixing your egg white, try as much as possible to use a transparent bowl so that you can see from the bottom that the egg is not yet totally mixed. You want to ensure there is no egg white liquid at the bottom of the plate. It can be fluffy on top, but there might still be liquid, so that is not going to be good for your cake. So try as much as possible to use a transparent bowl. See how fluffy that looks now? Look at that. So this is ready. I'll just keep that aside, and I'm going to be adding my butter into my mixing bowl and grease my pan. Be greasing my ceramic pan with my butter and sprinkling some baking flour, but the silicone bowl is not necessary to be greased. That is one advantage of silicone. Using a silicone baking pan or baking bowl does not require you greasing. Just going to dust out the excess flour. I'm dusting out the excess flour from the baking pan, and then I'm adding my sugar, and I'm going to mix this until the sugar is totally melted with the butter.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix this. It's gonna take me for 10 up. I think it's gonna take up to 10 minutes to get a thorough mixing of this. I'm gonna start gradually from low, then gradually increasing it to high, increasing my hand mixer to high. As you continue beating and mixing together, the color is gonna be more lighter compared to the color it was from the beginning. So you can taste this to see if the sugar is thoroughly, well mixed with the butter. Once you don't feel the crunch of the sugar anymore, then you know it is ready. Then you start adding your egg yolk bit by bit, and make sure you scoop around to make sure all the ingredients are well and properly mixed. So this is a teaspoon, and I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and I'll also be adding my lemon juice. My lemon juice was a tablespoon also. This is a teaspoon of lemon juice. I added this because this was a birthday cake and the person will be taking it in 2 days time. So this was the time I had to prepare this cake. So that's why I added lemon juice. You can choose to add brandy or vinegar, but I choose to add lemon. So after mixing all that together, you don't want to overbeat. So now I'm adding my egg whites that I'm mixed already, that is already fluffy. So I'm just gonna keep folding to ensure they are totally all mixed together. Do not mix with your hand mixer anymore. You just keep folding and keep folding while you keep adding the fluffy egg white into the main batter bit by bit. Now I'm gonna be mixing in all my dried ingredients. This is my baking powder added to my baking flour, my cinnamon, my grated cinnamon powder, salt, and I'm gonna be transferring this and be sieving into the batter bit by bit, and also mixing with my hand. Just keep folding. Just keep folding. Don't overbeat. Don't overbeat. Just keep folding. After totally sieving, I'm going to transfer it into my pan. At this moment, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording, so I baked in the oven for 55 minutes in 180-degree Celsius. Then after allowing the cake to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes, then I'll take it off the pan. Isn't this beautiful? The color is so beautiful and the cake is so fluffy. So this is my cake table and my turntable for decorating. So from here I'll be decorating the cake, and I'll show you that in my next video. Isn't this beautiful? You see those holes? That is the reason why when you transfer your batter into your pan, you have to try as much as possible to beat or hit the pan to make sure the batter sticks properly or stays properly or settles properly in your pan. It's so really not nice for me that the camera didn't capture that place, that part. But if you want to know what I'm talking about, I will leave a video description above where you'll see where I made a rainbow cake.
Okay fam, we've come to the end of this video and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. The comment section is always available for you to communicate with me, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook and my Twitter at GracefullyEUT. So until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.